Looking to get an associate's degree? Want to take some classes, then transfer? Trying to get back in the game after some time off? Need some training to take your career to the next level? We've got you covered. We are Rowan College at Burlington County, where your success is our success. Located in Mount Laurel, with additional campuses in Mount Holly, Willingboro, and the Joint Base McGuire-Dix Lakehurst, we have everything you need where you need it. RCBC is ranked among the top 25 community colleges in the nation and has reinvented itself as the national model of higher education for academic and workforce development programs. We offer you everything you need to make your college experience the best it can be. Our students and faculty distinguish themselves throughout the state and the nation. RCBC students include people of all ages, ethnicities, and economic backgrounds. With small class sizes, you're never just a number. You'll be able to select classes that fit into your schedule, day or night, on campus or online. We're one of the most affordable colleges in the state and offer scholarships and payment plans to help you succeed. There are plenty of opportunities to have fun and develop leadership skills outside of the classroom. Students will be able to get involved, attend events, participate in on- and off-campus activities, and show their school spirit through athletics, student activities, and service learning. With more than 25 clubs and organizations, it's easy to connect with your classmates and community. Our premier partnership with Rowan University guarantees RCBC students acceptance into many university programs upon graduation. Rowan University offers RCBC students the chance to earn a bachelor's degree for around $30,000. The college also has guaranteed transfer arrangements with many outstanding universities, several of which offer classes on the Mount Laurel campus. Come see for yourself. Rowan College at Burlington County is committed to helping you meet your educational and professional goals in the most affordable, accessible, and engaging educational environment. We'll give you everything you need to succeed, from scholarships to personalized attention from our student services staff to help you complete your degree, transfer, or get a job. We are RCBC, where your success is our success.